Happy Thursday morning, September 11th, and here we are at Cedar Hill State Park, the Duck Pond Trail. This is one that we've only been here once to actually do just the Duck Pond Trail. We've passed through the Duck Pond Trail going on our big walk along the escarpment and stuff like that. But we don't normally come down here to the Duck Pond Trail itself. So I figured we'd do that today and see how long it takes us, and if it doesn't take us too long, we might go over to the Lynn Creek Loop. I don't know. We'll see. In the meantime, somebody going potty? Somebody gotta go pee? You gotta go poo, or did you go poo at home? Okay, let's go. So dry out here. I mean, the plants are just all drooping. The leaves are even rolling up. I mean, it's just so dry. In the springtime, all the stuff that you see, all this brown stuff that you see, you know, that's all green. But by the end of summer here in Texas, things are no longer green underneath. It's all brown and withered, lack of water. I wrote a poem about that called Dry Summer Leaf. You know, it's probably out there on the internet someplace. I did publish it. This is trail, 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 but nothing pointing this way. How odd. Well, let's go this way. Let's go see where this goes. Okay. So we're going to have to turn around and go back, because somebody just decided, you know, this would be a good spot to go poo. I'm going to just set it right there. Okay. Okay, sweetie, let's carry on. Come on. We'll pick up our bag of poo when we come back. Wow. Huh. They have a thing here showing animal prints. It's concrete. And it shows you what it looks like. I wonder what's back there. Well, let's not find out. Let's go this way. Come on. There's probably a bunch of burrs back there. That's for sure. I'm sure you would find them too, wouldn't you? Oh, here's another one. This is raccoon. Awesome. Okay. We're going this way. Yay. I'm here, lovey. My sweet girl. Daddy's sweet girl. Yes, that's you. Hey, quit grazing. Get moving. Go on. Almost caught my toe on a root. No, we're going this way. Yeah, that's it. You got it. You're right. We are not going up the hill today, though. Not going up the hill. We did that yesterday. And lived. feel like I got party streamers hanging off of me from all the cobwebs. Oh, we're going this way, sweetie. That way. Yes, that way. This way. She's like, oh, something new to sniff. I'm right back here, lovey. Right behind you. Oh, man. All this broadleaf ragweed is putting out a lot of pollen right now. Every time I get struck in the shoulder or something with one of the flower buds, it's sorry, it's gets left on my shoulders. Seems like all pollen that I've seen is always yellow. I wonder why that is. Why is pollen yellow? Every pollen I've seen has always been yellow. Not under a microscope, but I mean, whenever it's like in mass quantities together, it's always yellow. Wow. Okay, now we're going this way. I'm right here behind you, sweetie. Quit grazing. So nice. So nice back here. Wow. There's a path going back that way. We need to check that out one day, huh? Not this day, though. I'm really unsure of how much we came uphill around the other side, But seems like a pretty long downhill. Come on, let's go. Keep going. I'm right here. I'm here. And there's your bag of poo. Let's grab your bag of poo. Okay. Bag of poo. Creek Loop, here we come. Oops, sorry. My hand was pointed off to the side, wasn't it? All right. Dog poo dropped off. And here we are. There's that. I just took my hat off after walking the Duck Pond Trail. And as I took my hat off, I could feel all the spider webs pulling along with my hat across my body. I think I said earlier that it felt like I had party streamers hanging all over me, you know. Anyways, everybody, I love you, and we will see you on our next adventure, which will more than likely be tomorrow. Peace to everybody.